I want to draw a diagram. We're going to come back to this diagram many, many times through the course of this workshop. So let's do this in a sort of elementary way today. Let's say this is where you are, and let's say this is where you like to be. But in between this is a vast space, which we normally fill with a question. We normally fill this space with the question, how? How do I get from here to there? And of course, it's because we don't have an answer to the question how that our project usually falls apart. We can't fathom how on earth this is going to happen. But what I'm going to suggest to you is, what you need to do is if that's your intention, all you need to do is take one action. Take one step, just one step. And as far as all this is concerned, you eliminate this. Because the moment we get preoccupied with how, we also immediately become preoccupied with the fact that we don't know the answer. But that shouldn't deter us from taking just one step. And then we have this very potent combination of intention and action. And when you put together intention and action, something bigger happens. And through the course of this workshop, we're going to get a sense of what that something is. That's something else, something special that happens. I'll give you a taste of this, which is to say, when you take an action, you were here. When you take an action, you come in here. And here, what you don't know while you're here is that here, there are other forces at work. And these forces, nothing to do with you, push you. And you come here. And when you come here, what you didn't know while you were here is that over here, still other forces are at work. And that pushes you here. And so by taking that one step on a long road that you can't map out in advance, you can't map out precisely in advance, you come into the province of forces that guide you. And we're going to learn a great deal through the course of this workshop about what those forces are. But to the person, to the recipient of the benefits of working in this way, what happens is you become lucky.